Alhamdulila, I have made this breakfast casserole. The first layer is, ripped up pieces of sourdough bread, right? Then ground organic grass-fed beef. Then sliced white American cheddar cheese. Then another layer of the sourdough bread. And then I beat about 10 eggs with some organic milk from grass-fed cows, salt and pepper, poured that on top, and then sprinkled some corn flakes that I crunched up with some organic butter from grass-fed cows. It's going to be delicious, I think. It smells wonderful. I just took the lid off, so I'll scoop into it and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you scoop it into the bowl. Super impressed. That American cheese is nice and creamy. I mean, wow. Absolutely stunning. Full of flavor. Simple, yet so creative. And then I'll show you what it looks like in the dish. Here you can just see the juices flowing. It's quite magnificent the way the eggs just formed layers. The crunchiness on top. I'm really excited for it. Very unique. I will put this in the description box of this video on Instagram and on the Bertaria Times app, inshallah.